In regards to your question in terms of what preventative measures are taking place, there was a meeting that we had with various stakeholders and also some government-owned companies to form a sort of alliance in order to better protect our IT infrastructure, so to speak. And that is ongoing, with government having the lead on the way forward. Because at the end of the day, that this is something that is plaguing the entire world. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry in terms of hacking. So therefore, it's nothing new. It's not as if these things can't happen. It's just like having a bulletproof vest on. It doesn't stop you from being shot at. So having protection and having different ways and means of protecting your data does not stop you from getting any sort of hacks or having vulnerabilities. But indeed, the main idea behind IT is having redundancy. So therefore, this team will focus more on redundancy and different ways and means to protect the data, and see how we can work at it as sort of a complete plan with all the various stakeholders in order to save funds and save time as well. Because if Telem does a research, we do a research, GB does a research, if we do it together, it makes the world of a difference, especially being such a small island. In regards to the opening day, that has not been, a concrete date has not been provided as yet. And with respect to the amount in the ransom, it varied, and I don't have the specific one right now because it keeps changing. And I think that was brought out in the reports as well, but not any official report, so to speak.